Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to fix a shark vacuum when the battery is flashing two lights. First, check the battery connection. Make sure the battery is seated properly in the vacuum and clicks into place. Loose connections can cause flashing lights. Next, try resetting the vacuum. Remove the battery, wait for about 30 seconds, then reinsert it. This can clear minor electronic glitches that cause the lights to flash. Inspect the battery for damage or wear. Over time, lithium-ion batteries can degrade, leading to error indicators. If the battery looks swollen, damaged, or old, it may need replacement. Check the charger as well. Make sure it's plugged into a working outlet and the charging contacts are clean. Dirt or debris on the contacts can prevent proper charging and trigger flashing lights. If the two lights continue to flash after these steps, the battery may be faulty, or the vacuum's electronic board could need professional inspection. Replacing the battery with an official shark replacement usually resolves the issue. By following these steps, you can fix your shark vacuum battery flashing two lights and get your vacuum running efficiently again. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.